Bill. You can play Bill? Play the bells again?
Got it, boys.
Did he let you do it?
No, yeah, I did.
No, he didn't. I didn't see. You got to do it again, Sam.
It happened.
Turn round and let him get on you, and then walk around.
Oh,
How disobedient he is. Stand there like a man.
Stand there like a man, or else Mummy will take away all your money.
Oh, just do it, Will. Now hold on to his legs. Hold him down.
Walk it up.
Just wanted to see him do a
You've
nice
been
little
filming this,
rugby
there's nothing.
thing, you know.
You were?
Keep me there all the time. Like for about 10 years, Julie.
Yeah. We'll have to film that.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know, he hasn't put a foot wrong in terms of litter tray. Everything's gone in,
wrong.
no wheeze in the wrong place. no stray feces.
Yeah.
Yeah, all
Better
good.
than you.
Straight easy.
I did one yesterday that was so large.
Oh, here we go.
Actually coiled and kept stuck proud of the water.
Just tells everyone he needs.
Well, no, it is interesting. I find it interesting.
Yeah. I should have taken a photo of that.
It's Daddy's turn.
He's going to show
I
you how
can
it's done.
easily give you a feedback, but I just don't want to.
That's not nice because I asked you to do it.
Oh, not quite so tight, Will. You're really hurting me. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, you want a stroker?
Stroker.
Climb down that. There you go. Yeah, not much happened there, is there?
No.
I'll put you on again.
Go on, go for it. Do a proper one.
That's it.
Right, go on, support his legs.
Good. Jig him up a bit. Is he slipping? That's it. You've got him. Is he heavy or light?
All those pies and sweets he's
Yeah,
been
but is it, you know,
I
really
have a pie.
straining you, or can you take his weight easily?
I can't remember when I last had a
You know?
pie.
Where's he going?
And just walk along.
Walk to the computer and
Unless
back
he's
here,
too
and
heavy
then
for
stop
you.
next to Mummy.
Is
So I'm
he
a
too heavy?
stroker. Stop.
Smile. Look
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you're enjoying it.
Dan, let him go now. That's the one. Thank you. That was achieved with
And give
no...
each other a hug.
That was more than a hug.
And then kiss.
You want to see that, do you? You want it filmed?
Yeah, we want it on film.
Yeah, let's see the hug.
So, boom. Have you seen this? Well made. Look. All these little secret compartments and stuff.
Doors,
Yeah.
guns.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
makes shit.
Go on, that's cool. You show it off then. So you've got self-levelling wings.
Yeah, so you see inside the cockpit, the driver, and it opens up here, and missiles come out either side. It's Boba Fett.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Very
No,
good.
Dan, you can't touch it.
A little hand solo as well.
Han Solo.
Cameron. Han Solo. Good, isn't it? This looks too permanent, isn't it? It's too hard to be a screen. When you rub it, it doesn't all go funny like a normal thing.
Yeah,
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Change your Amazon password, get your feet on my book.
Yeah, you'll have to have the Amazon password. Did you need any passwords?
No.
Just buy with one click.
It's buy one click, I could have your account.
What, so they wouldn't say hi, Michael?
What?
These authors, the well-known authors.
On the rapid moving kind of thing. Otherwise it's all juddery when you look at it back. Juddery. You touching there. That's going for the different screensavers.
This bit,
No,
Slider.
don't trust you.
slide
You're
it.
going to pinch my sides.
Your iPod's got a slider like
wait.
You
that.
are!
Yeah, fab.
You want another set of arms?
No.
Okay, I want to have another set of arms.
Yeah, you can plug headphones into it, and that'll actually read all the stories for you
Well,
in
read out
a
loud.
Stephen Hawking voice.
You can read them out loud.
So if you were totally blind, you'd be able to read anything.
Yeah, cool. Well, more
fish.
cat action.
Identify them.
Do you like fishes, Mrs.?
No, I like fishes.
There are fishes on there.
Oh yeah, there's yes,
Is that a sunfish?
I think that is, yeah. That looks like some sort of haddock.